Hello, folks. I am finally back for the update on the old seeds that I planted about a month ago. I planted these marigolds, trying to get to in good where you could see, and they were from 2020, as you can see. So they weren't that old. This sweet basil was from November of 2010. This crookneck squash, bush type, wish I could find some more of these, were from 12 of 2010. These tomatoes, Sweet 100 hybrids, and I do believe I found these in the garage, or they were on the back porch or somewhere. Actually, I have the dates wrong. It was November of 2017 is the date on these. So these are about 5 years old. And then I had some Scarlet Nantes carrots. And they were dated, see if you could see that, November of 2013. So we do have, that's what I planted. That's what we have. And I had to go back and look at the video to remember. I did save the seed packets, as you can see. But I had to go back and look at the video to tell what I planted where. So now, let's go take a look outside. Okay, here we are. It is 1 month later. We have the nasturtiums that were the fresh seeds. They were from 2020. They're doing very well. They're thriving. I don't know what this is, but this is the squash pot. And it looks like that there was some marigolds that may have sprouted. That looks like a marigold. Not sure what that is. But as you can see, we have no squash at all. No bush type squash. This one, none of the carrots sprouted. None of the basil sprouted. However, we have the 2017 Sweet 100 tomatoes, and 4 of those seeds sprouted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, 5 of those seeds came up. And I'm thinking this dollar weed, because it's definitely not nasturtiums. But the marigolds, you don't know what this is. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. It looks like a native weed kind of, but the marigolds look like one happened over here in this corner. Maybe one happened. But again, I have trouble growing marigolds, so not sure. But do not, I still say, do not throw away the seeds, because they can still grow. You may have to go through the long method of putting them in the paper towel, see if they germinate and all of that, or drop them on the ground and go for it. But I still say do not throw them away, because here we have at least the 5-year-old seeds certainly grow. The 5-year-old seeds certainly grow, and I just don't believe in throwing them away. Throw them in the ground and give it a try. Ground versus garbage. I mean, it is so worth the try. But everything else is doing pretty decent. I have some spots I probably need to replant or resow some seeds. But everything else is doing pretty decent. So, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. and ring that bell for future updates. Have a great day.